corrosion. You remember? We say that corrosion is the accumulation of oxidation. Yes? Today we are going to introduce another basic definition. It's the chemical deterioration of a metal. Nice. I like that definition. It's simple. It's the chemical deterioration of a metal. Salt water is a good conductor. For that reason, when you have a problem of a high level of salt water in the bilge of your boat, in the engine room, and the salt water reach the level of the batteries, finito. If the salt water touch both terminals of the batteries are destroyed. The batteries enter in short immediately, short to ground. Oxygen plus non-metals. You remember what is the product? Oxygen plus non-metal produce acidic oxide. Alright, acidic oxide. Examples. For example, oxygen and non-metal is nitrous oxides, sulfur oxides, phosphorus oxides, and carbon oxide. Those oxides plus water produce nitric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, acids. Those are acids. Water stagnation is when the water stops the flow and the water stay over there, is accumulated over there. This is a stagnant water. When you have a leak, I have the fuel tank in aluminum, and I have a leak of water drops, and that water is accumulated in the surface of the tank because the tank is flat, it's not inclined. For that reason, always design those metallic tanks with a little inclination to avoid stagnant water. That's other important factor in the moment of that you design. Incline surface all the time to drain water. Static electricity is the energy storage, the energy accumulated on the case of the equipment. Let me explain something. Suppose that you have a dishwasher or refrigerator. All of those appliances, they have an electric motor, AC motor inside. It's an AC motor. We are going to think in the dishwasher. The dishwasher have internally a motor, and the motor is spinning, no, at high speed. All right. When the motor is spinning, the coil of the stator and the rotor jumped some electrons, and those electrons are stored in the case of the dishwasher. No? If the case of the dishwasher is not properly bonded, is not properly connected to the ground, to the bonding system, what happens if you suddenly touch the case of this appliance? You feel that static electricity is the electricity accumulated, is the electricity storage on the case of the equipment. Yes, my friend, you have all the enemies. You have sulfate, sulfur. You have a chlorine, acid of chlorine. And the marine environment, the marine atmosphere, and salt water. Oh, fuck. That's the worst scenario. The metal is destroyed. And additionally, a leak of current, or additionally static electricity storage over there. Bye bye. Finito. Okay? Yes, my friend. For that reason, if you are a good engineer keep the engine room clean, dry, eliminate all the possibilities of leaks of water. Everything is clean, everything is dry. Acids and alkalis are highly corrosive. Both of them produce or accelerate the corrosion. Alkali, I explained to yours, or acid. Both extremes are not good. For that reason, if you have a pH with close to 0, is acid. In this is acid. Or if you have a pH around 14, is alkali in this corner. Alkali or acid. For that reason, the secret is try to be located in this area in the middle of this scale. Why the hydrogen is positive? Because hydrogen is located in group number 1, and normally hydrogen have low level of energy, release the electron and become positive. And the hydroxide absorb and become negative ion. While more alkaline is the water, more corrosive it is. Yeah, exactly the same with the acidity. In regards of the aquatic plants and in regards to the aquatic animals. The aquatic plants take the CO and with the photosynthesis they increase the alkalinity. And the aquatic animals take the oxygen and produce CO2 and reduce the acidity. The animals reduce the acidity and the plants increase the alkalinity. The aquatic animals and the aquatic plants.